Advice you've probably heard: if you want to save, stop getting a fancy latte every morning, or maybe stop buying lotto tickets.
Oh, come on. All right. Well, people wanting to buy a home, especially young adults, get this a lot. They hear that a lot. But a local real estate expert says you don't have to sacrifice those Starbucks runs. So Illinois' median home price is $253,000, and it would take over 42,000 lattes to pay for a house in cash.
I haven't thought about how many coffees I've bought over the years. More than 8,000 would make a 20% down payment, though. Jim Starwalt with the Star Home Team says there are better ways to save. First, cut out those big monthly expenses.
Sell your expensive car and buy a little bit cheaper car. You know, these things aren't permanent. It's just temporary. Let's stop eating out. People go out to dinner Friday, Saturday night, $150 dinner. Maybe you just go and go somewhere else and spend $30 to $40. Maybe we cut our cable and we go to a digital antenna for $100.
Yeah, watch over-the-air TV like NBC5.
There are some options out there. Another tip, he says, is keep cash in your wallet. That way you can really keep track of how much you're spending. Some good news here. Starwalt says home prices in Chicago are becoming more balanced.
Yeah, it's going to take a little while to get back to what they were.
I know, they've been a little wacky.
They have been high.
Okay.